So you want to make money on YouTube with YouTube Shorts without ever showing your face, but you don't know where to start. And a lot of people get tripped up on where to start and which niche to pick. And now you're going to probably be asking, Isaac, what's a niche? A niche is simply just a category of videos you're going to upload and a thing you're going to focus on. So many people also get tripped up on what if they choose the wrong niche and what if it fails? And I promise that won't be you, because in this video, I'm gonna show you the best YouTube niches to pick, specifically with YouTube Shorts. Now, with that being said, let me show you the best YouTube short niches on YouTube right now. And the first one we're gonna dive into is travel shorts. Travel shorts is a good one because of how many different ways you can go around with it and how many different things you're gonna show in travel niches. Let's check out Happy Earth right here. Happy Earth has 411 videos and they have 495,000 subscribers. Let's check out their views right here of all time. They have over 590,000 views on their channel. Let's check out their video right here.
USA never existed. Firstly, the American Ocean would turn Canada into an island.
Let's check out another video on their channel.
World look like if China never existed. Firstly, we would see a massive Gulf of China, providing access to the Pacific Ocean for many countries.
Now I'm going to show you how we can generate videos on VidAI, just like this one, on this channel called Happy Earth. We're going to take a look at what if China didn't exist, and then we're going to jump over to the VidAI, and we're going to press on New Project, and we're going to go on Faceless Shorts, and then we're going to put in the prompt, and the prompt is going to be, what if China didn't exist? And then we're going to go to choose the voice. Let's do watercolors, actually neon art. And then we'll press on generate content. Just give it a few seconds and it'll give us a video just like the one we saw on their channel over there. And then we're gonna choose on what background we want. Or no, we're gonna press on next. And then we can choose on if you want any music. And for this one, we'll just leave the music off. You can even change your font color with this one if you'd like. We'll go with purple. Font type, even if you'd like to. Press generate. Just give it a couple seconds to generate the video for us. And boom, just like that, the video is done and it's generated. So let's take a look at it right here.
Imagine a world where China never existed. What would our global landscape look like?
And just like that, after we took a look at the video, we would be able to press download video right here. And then you would be able to upload it to your channel, which would be able to possibly get millions and millions of views, just like the other travel videos in this niche. And now with this second niche, we're gonna take a look at funny stories. With this channel right here called Lala Thilna, I don't even know, it has a horrible name, but they have 63,000 subscribers with only 227 videos. Let's take a look at their views. They have 65 million views, and they've only been uploading since October of 2023. Let's take a look at one of their videos right here. Let's go to random hilarious short stories.
He believes in Santa Claus. He doesn't believe in Santa Claus.
As you can see, it's just straight brain rot. And let's check out one more video on their channel here. This one has 10,000 views. It must be good.
Yes. Mommy, can little girls have babies? No, says his mom.
It's not any better. It's honestly not any better, guys. And then right here, let's just take a look at their most popular video. After Alexa is a woman.
And says, hey Alexa, I have a feeling that I want to have some fun, you know, wham, saying. Then Alexa replies, most certainly. Don't worry, I am dimming the lights. Setting your AC to...
It's not any better, guys. And they're still getting thousands and thousands of views on every single video they upload. And I'll show you guys how we can make a video just like that off of VidAI. The prompt's gonna be, give me a funny story. High school boyfriend. And we'll just, let's do Adam Stone voice for this one. And then let's just do, we can do anime for it. And we'll press generate, and then let's add some music to this one just so I can show you guys that. Change the font here, and then we'll change the color again, the blue. And we'll do that, change it for you guys just to show you. And we'll press generate, and boom, just like that, our video is now done. Let's take a look at it.
High school romance can be hilarious. Meet Jake and Lily, the couple known for their epic pranks.
We just got done looking at our video, and we just saw it was okay, so we would be able to upload it. So we'd be able to press download video, and then you'd go to your channel, and you would upload it, and it could possibly get thousands and thousands of views, just like La Thina. And for our third niche, we're going to be taking a look at drama. And drama is a really good niche to upload in shorts because there's always something going on in the world with YouTubers. There's always something going on with singers or actors or something. Like a good example of something right now is like Mr. Beast. There's just so much drama I can't even name it all off. And so I think it's honestly a really top good niche. And for this one, we're gonna take a look at a channel called Bolo. They have over 360,000 subscribers with only 479 videos. Let's check out their all-time views. They have over 489 million views. And let's just take a look at this one for an example. Mr. Beast's girlfriend exposed them again.
Just exposed him. People on the internet are trying to cancel Jimmy, and recently his girlfriend only made it worse.
Now let's just take a look at another video here. Let's go to I show Speed, learned Arabic going wrong.
Some Arabic online. This prank was so wild, and Speed's reaction literally says everything here.
Let me teach you some Arabic real quick.
They have a lot of videos about Mr. Beast. And that's because Mr. Beast is trendy right now in the YouTube drama world, so they're going to be going off of Mr. Beast because he's gaining them a lot of views. As you can see, all the videos have thousands of views just off of a minute or 2 minute videos talking about drama that nobody really cares about, frankly. And with that, I'm going to show you how we can make videos just like that on VidAI once more. And for this video, we're going to use the prompt, give me a story on Matt Parr exposed. And Matt is my boss, so Matt, please don't fire me for this. I'm just trying to show him how to do this. We're actually going to use Matt's voice himself while he talks about how he got exposed. And then we'll press next. And we're going to press generate. Now it's generating the video for us. And boom, just like that, the video is done. Let's take a look at it.
Have you ever wondered how one person can change everything? Meet Matt Parr, a young entrepreneur with a mission. He started by sharing his journey online, revealing secrets to success that many kept hidden.
And as you can see, it didn't say anything negative about Matt Parr, and I wonder if that's because he made this software. So, I mean, maybe he probably blocked some words out and wouldn't let it say anything bad about him because he's the owner. And that's very smart, actually. But we did just take a look at the video, so we'll be able to press download video, and then we'll be able to upload it to our YouTube channel and get thousands and thousands of views just like our friends over here at Bolo. And now with this next niche, we're going to take a look at history. And I personally think history is one of the better niches because for somebody like me who doesn't want to sit through a whole 2-hour documentary or sit through a whole 30-minute explanation on one thing, I just want my facts quick and short, so that's why YouTube Shorts for history is a good one to do. And for this one, let's take a look at Timeless Chapters. Timeless Chapters has over 80,000 subscribers with only 82 videos, and they have over 27 million views. Let's take a look at a couple of videos here.
Rise and fall.
Well, I got a hot take on this.
Please.
So I don't think the Roman Empire fell. I think it became a church.
And let's just look at 1 or 2 more videos. And for this one, I went to the most popular video. And let's do 8 crazy ancient facts, ancient Egyptian facts. I'll turn up this volume here. Let's watch it.
Ancient Egyptian facts. Number 1. Pharaohs commonly ejaculated into the Nile for a good harvest.
That's
this
gross.
Came from an Egyptian legend. The god Atum created the universe by masturbation. Number
What?
2.
You guys get the point of that one. There's a reason why it has 25 million views. That's not the kind of history I want to know, but hey, I guess 25 million people want to know that history. Let's look at one more video here. The 5 craziest Viking facts. Maybe it's not going to be as crazy as the Egyptians. I didn't know the Egyptians were that crazy.
About the Vikings. Number 1, Vikings had their own beast mode known as Berserker. Fueled by possible hallucinogenic mushrooms like Amanita muscaria, they went all in during battle.
And as you can see, we can make videos just like this on VidAI. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but it would be super easy and you can make thousands and thousands of views just like these guys. And if you want to make money with this, YouTube pays 10 to 20 cents per 1,000 views with YouTube Shorts now. And you could potentially make a full-time income just like a lot of these channels have probably done already. And the next niche we're going to look into is facts. And I personally think facts is a good niche also for YouTube Shorts because a lot of people are lazy and they don't want to keep on looking up things on Google and keep on going off other things and stuff like that. So just look up facts on YouTube. And for the first channel we're going to look into, we're going to look on to Prolific 2.0. Prolific 2.0 has 200,000 subscribers with 244 videos. And they have over 122 million views altogether. Let's just take a look at their most popular video that has 36 million views.
The least visited countries in the world, and even less visitors than North Korea visited every year. The country's capital is full of gold.
Okay, let's take a look at one more video here. Why Atlantic and Pacific Oceans don't mix.
And Pacific Oceans seems to stay separate and doesn't mix together. It's a common question, and
as you can see, these 2 videos I showed you have 36 million views and 34 million views. And if you wanted to make videos just like this, we could use VidAI and make videos easily just like this and upload them to gain thousands and thousands of views, millions of views even potentially, just like this channel right here. And for this niche, we're gonna look into scary stories. And for the channel we're gonna be looking at today, the channel's name is literally Scary Story. Scary Story has 81,000 subscribers with only 78 videos on their channel, and they have over 21 million views. Let's take a look at one of their videos here. Let's look at Giant Man. Let's take a look at one or two more videos here. As you can see with this channel right here, none of their videos are over 15 seconds long, and they use the exact same sound in every single video, and their videos are getting over 10,000 views on almost every single video. For this one, I'm actually going to show you on VidAI how we can make a better video within just seconds and improve it a lot better than the YouTube channel Scary Story. I'm actually going to copy one of their videos right here. We're going to do just a giant man. Give me a story about giant skinny man roaming the streets of Miami. Let's do Antonio voice and let's do that. Let's just generate the video. Let's do the scary thing. And then we'll just do that. And we'll press generate. And boom, just like that, our video's now done. Let's take a look at it.
In the heart of Miami, a giant skinny man roams the streets, towering over the crowds with a curious gaze. Intrigued, he watches as colors swirl, his eyes reflecting the creativity of the city. The giant finds a spot on the sand.
And just like that, we have a video just like theirs about a giant man, but it's a lot more interesting than watching some scary man stand there with some scary sound playing. And for this last one, we're gonna look into a thing called texting stories. And texting stories is a really good niche because you can put anything you want into texting stories. Having two people text back and forth to each other, talking about something funny, something serious, and it gets a lot of attention. And so with this channel right here, we're gonna take a look at Chat Room. And Chat Room has 30,000 subscribers with only 63 videos, and they have over 18 million views. Let's just take a look at one of their most popular shorts here.
Babe! What? Imagine you were on this island, and let's say it's you and this one girl, and you guys are like the last people alive on Earth. Like there's no humans left, just you and her.
Let's just take a look at a couple more shorts they have here.
Just doing cars.
Oh, that. I can't have that conversation with you yet. You're not old enough.
But Dad, I'm ready.
You're not, son. I'll tell you when you're a little bit older.
But I'm ready, Dad. I promise you.
You're not. Trust me. It's for grown-ups only.
And so you can see with this video right here, he's asking his dad what it was like when he first did it. And I can't even imagine having that texting conversation with my dad. And now let's jump over the VidAI fake text, and we're gonna look into how we can do that ourselves with our fake text reader. And we're gonna just do it really simple here. We're gonna be texting my girlfriend, and we're gonna be doing, as you can just see, I just typed, hey, what are we having for dinner tonight? And I'm gonna have him respond with, you are a grown man, you can cook yourself. And let's do another one here. And then we're gonna say, but it tastes better when you cook it. Then we're gonna do another one. And then she'll say, fine, I'll make steak. Okay, as you can see here, we have a couple texts written out, and you can put anything you want. I just did it simple and easy just to show you. And let's hit play here. And you can see there's gonna be gameplay behind it. And then it's gonna pop up here. And then yeah, just like that, we have it all done. And then there'll be a button down here that says generate, and it will generate. And for this one, you can choose any voice you want. You can have the texter, the sender having one voice, and then the receiver having another voice, which is really nice and simple for you guys to use. And you can even change the theme. You can even change the video, and then the audio, of course, right here. So that's all up here for you to change with the text feature. And these are the best niches right here. So if you ever need a reference on the best niche to choose from, you can always screenshot this right here, or you can always come back to the video for a reference. If you want to capitalize the most money on YouTube, you can. These right here are the best paying CPM niches on YouTube. And there's a whole list of them, so if you want to choose one of these, you can do that as well. And that means you'll make more money per 1,000 views. And if you want to learn how to make money with YouTube Shorts, we put a whole 1-hour training together over on the VidAI channel together for you guys. And it shows you everything you need to know. And my name is Isaac from the VidAI channel, and I hope to see you guys in this video right here.